KINKAI heat pump dryer operates according to a basic reverse Carnot cycle. The working fluid refrigerant at new pressure is vaporized in the evaporator by heat drawn from the dryer exhaust air. The compressor reads the enthalpy of the working fluid of the heat pump and discharges it as superheated vapor at high pressure. Heat is removed from the working fluid and returned to the process air at the condenser. The working fluid is then throttled to the new pressure line using an expansion valve and enters the evaporator to complete the cycle. In the dryer system, hot and dry air at the exit of condenser is allowed to pass through the drying chamber where it gains latent heat from the material. The humid air at dryer exit then passes through the evaporator where condensation of moisture occurs as the air goes below dew point temperature. Then drain the condenser water. KINKAI heat pump dryer 5 features. 1. Energy saving and environmental protection. Adopt close, dehumidify and circulating drying type. Saving operating cost. Without waste gas and waste heat pollution, low noise. 2. Running stable, operating easily. PLC plus touch screen. Running stable, operating easily. Adopt PLC control, can set in different drying curve, suitable for drying different materials. 3. Second waste heat recovery technology, patent. Adopt air-to-air heat exchanger, dehumidify and recovery waste heat at the same time. Saving energy more than 40%. 4. Exact control temperature and humidity. According to different materials set in different drying curve, the heat pump dryer can control the drying chamber temperature between 20 to 80 degrees. 5. Recovery volatilized component. Some kinds of material contain volatilized component in drying processing. Hot and wet air will become condenser water, then drain. Collect condenser water so that collect volatilized component. KINKAI heat pump dryer used for agriculture, industrial, textile industry, etc. Our customers give us very good feedback. Currently, heat pump drying machine widely used in many fields, such as seafood, vegetable, mushroom, white fungus and peanut, etc. Mosquito incense, odor incense, herbs, etc. Paper, leather, wood, and sludge, etc. Bamboo shoot, sweet potato chip, noodle and rice noodle, etc. Heat pump dryer has high COP. It will be replaced boiler, coal-fired dryers, and other conventional drying machine.